You think time is on your side. You think you can figure money out later. But here's the truth. If you don't master your finances before 30, life will force lessons on you that could have been avoided. Every day you wait is a day your future self pays the price. Most people never get ahead. They spend without thinking. They swipe cards, chase trends, and ignore the simplest rules of wealth. You know it. That sinking feeling at the end of the month. That stress when a bill comes in. That panic when an opportunity shows up, but you don't have the freedom to seize it. That is not luck. That is a system you never built. It's time to face the truth. You are responsible. Your future is your creation. Stop blaming the economy, your job, or your circumstances. Every dollar you earn is a choice. Every dollar you waste is a decision you will regret. If you don't act now, you are choosing a life of stress, limits, and missed opportunities. Here's the difference between those who struggle and those who win. Habits. Daily, consistent habits that compound into freedom. Habits that shape your identity and define the person you become. And the earlier you start, the faster you grow. First, save before you spend, not after. Treat savings like a non-negotiable expense. Automate it. Make your money work for you while you sleep. Second, track every expense. If you don't know where your money goes, it controls you. Third, avoid debt that doesn't build you. Credit cards, loans, unnecessary subscriptions. They are chains disguised as convenience. Fourth, invest early even if it's small. Time beats everything in building wealth. Fifth, live below your means. Comfort is a trap. Discomfort builds character and money. Sixth, educate yourself about money. Read, watch, learn. Knowledge creates opportunity. Seventh, set clear financial goals. Ambiguity is expensive. Know what you want and plan backwards. Eighth, surround yourself with people who value growth over instant gratification. Habits are contagious. Ninth, practice patience. Wealth is never instant. Discipline compounds quietly, invisibly, powerfully. And 10th, review and adjust constantly. Life changes and your system must evolve with it. If you do these 10 things consistently, in a few years, you will look back and barely recognize the person you were. You will be calm when others panic. You will see opportunity when others see limits. You will be free. Not just free to spend, but free to live the life you want on your terms. The truth is harsh. If you wait until you feel ready, it's already too late. Build these habits today, not tomorrow, not next week, today. Because your 30s, 40s, and beyond will reward only what you start now. Make the choice. Master these habits. Become unstoppable. Your future self is counting on you, and time doesn't wait.